What are you doing?
Stapling my work.
Stapling your work? And with what are you using for it?
This staple.
This stapler. It's mine.
I know it's the family staple. I'm not getting into any arguments.
It's my stapler. I bought it yesterday.
And I don't care. I'm allowed to use it.
No, you're not.
Yes,
it's
I
my
am.
stapler. I had to buy this. I mean, staples here.
I don't care. I need to just quickly... Wait.
No. No.
You're so stingy.
Yeah, I'm bloody am.
You're unbelievably
How many
stingy,
staples
mate.
did you use?
What, you want me to get my own one now? Is that what you're trying to say?
How many staples did you use?
About 10.
You lose like 50 in here.
I don't care.
Get your own staple then.
Get my own staple?
Yeah, get your own.
Oh, staple. Stingy guy, honestly.
Yeah, stingy is good. I'm a businessman, yeah. Yeah, I can't find it. I've looked everywhere. Can I just use this one? No.
Just you know why you and I will by and by know true love ways. Sometimes we'll cry, and we'll know why. Just you and I.